Well, I was born in Crown Point, Indiana. My family moved down here. I think I was maybe 2, and I've grown up in Indianapolis and lived here ever since. I'm a graduate of Arsenal Technical High School from 1999. Graduated from Indiana University with a BA in History in 2003, and graduated from the Indiana University School of Law in 2006. Then went into private practice starting in January 2007, and that's where I've been since. I actually don't like people getting pushed around by the system. I genuinely think that everyone deserves to have someone stand up and fight back for them. A lot of times people just kind of make a bad mistake and they get stuck in a remarkably complicated legal system, and I'm happy to be there to stand up and fight for them and make sure that they've got the best representation they can. I collect a lot of things. I collect a lot of autographs, mostly celebrities and wrestlers, believe it or not. One of the things that clients will comment on when they come into my office for a consultation is they'll talk about all the people that I've met, so that's always a really nice way of breaking the ice. I also do a lot of stage work. I do act on a regular basis. It keeps me sharp for the jury trials. One of the early cases that I worked on, I think it actually might have been one of the first major felony cases I worked on. My client was accused of a particularly vile crime. His first attorney gave up on him. His family gave up on him. When he came to me, he was ready to just basically admit that he did something that he hadn't done to get the process over with. But thanks to some hard work and investigation on our part, we were able to determine that the accuser in his case was lying. We were able to establish that by firm, unrefuted proof, and the state dismissed the case. If we hadn't been there to fight that argument for him, an innocent man would have gone to prison, and I'm very proud of that, and I always will be.